Hey YakChat users, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to create a group chat in YakChat. To create a group chat, first start a new conversation and go to the To toolbar. Start adding the contacts you want to include in your group chat. Once you've added all the participants, click on the pull-down menu and select Group Chat. Now, everyone in this chat can send and receive all messages within the group. If you've set up tags for your contacts, you can quickly start a group chat by sending a message to a group tag. Head over to the Contacts page, click on the Tag section, select the tag for the group you want to message, and click Message Contacts. This automatically creates a group chat with all the tagged contacts, allowing everyone to communicate in one place. And that's it! Now you know how to create and send messages in a group chat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more YakChat tips. See you in the next video.